Hi, Jeff. Jeff, you can unmute yourself, Jeff.
Oh, hi, Nina. Good evening. Hi, Mithun. Hi, team.
Okay.
Good evening,
Okay. Who is here for team, Mithun? Gautam?
Hi, ma'am.
Priyanka is not there.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'll check.
Good evening, ma'am.
See Shabina. Hi, Shabina. Hi, Sangeeta.
Hi, sir.
Shakti, I
Mithun,
just
get
saw.
our trainers in now. Get our trainers also in, Mithun.
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting in.
Sujata is there. Kalai.
Then we
Good.
start getting in the members.
Guys, please take off your black screen, your screensaver. Show yourselves.
Na paathikiren. Na paathikiren.
You want this way.
Hi, Agustin.
Ama.
Suja.
Step by step follow panni.
Wow, all dressed up and all. That's so nice to be dressed for the evening. Yes. Hi, Nijandan. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hey, Sundar. How are you, Sundar? Gamman உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கீங்க.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Missing you at classes, da. நல்லா break எடுத்தீங்க.
Yes, sir. வந்துரும் sir. அனைவரும் இந்த வாரம் வெயிட் போட்டுருவாங்க.
Hi,
Relax.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Shifali, ma'am.
Who's that? I can hear Usma's voice.
Yeah, Shabina's here.
I'm
Hi, Nina.
Yeah.
Hi, Sujata. Can't see Sujata. Where is she?
Sujata's there.
Sujata. Hi, Sujata. Okay, most of the people have come in. Actually, they can be unmuted at this time, Mithun. When we start the meeting, then we'll ask people to mute themselves. Right now, you can unmute them and then some conversation can happen. Whoever wants to talk.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Did I see Usma somewhere?
No, sir.
Nijandan, you have to unmute and you have to position yourself properly, please. If you can come forward, sit at a table or something, it will be a little more formal. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Mudima, Kannadangale.
Yeah, yes.
Same instruction goes to everyone else so that, it is, I think other people are okay. Nee mattu da Nijandan konja adjust
Sure,
pannu.
ma'am. Sure. I take care and come back.
Mr. Santosh. Mr. Deva Prakash.
Shaktivel, you can unmute yourself.
Priyanka, unmute.
Go back to your first page. Yeah. Okay, I think most of our people are in. Has Vijay come in, Mithun, and then we can. Sangeeta, you can unmute yourself also. Sundar.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very strange to dress up now, Jeff.
That's why I thought we'll dress formal. haven't dressed for a long time, Nina. Just with shirts and shorts, and so
Actually, we have dressing up most days because
I also put on my shoes and socks and the works for a very long time.
me too. I told my daughter I need my high heels. So she said, why high heels? I said, I want to look completely dressed. I look taller also. Otherwise, I was somewhere here.
Yeah. Feels really good.
Even like using perfume,
Yes.
Stop using all that, I guess, but I think
Yeah.
I think I'll be dressed for
We
ourselves.
just need to get back as soon as possible. So I think we need to practice again.
Josephine is in. I think most of our guys are in. Mithun, the whole team is in. Someone's still exercising. Wow.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Hi. Who's
Hi,
that?
sir.
Justine?
We have a member who's exercising. Very impressed.
Where's that? Who's that?
Sendil Hadiban, sir.
Oh.
Nijanjan, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can hear, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Good.
Good, good.
Chandil,
Mahesh and
really motivated. I'm motivated. Hi, Jacob.
Priyanka. Priyanka, you have to come on screen. I just wanted our team from Sapira to just wait for a bit, and then after the members come in, we thought we'll allow them in. Oh my God, Senthil gets the prize. Oh, this, look at him, Jeff.
He's on a rolling trophy, Nina. He should get the
Oh,
trophy because he's still.
very impressed. Senthil Ji. Very impressed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah, just I have displaced the.
Hi, Vinoba.
Thank you for the gift also, ma'am.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Where's Vinoba?
This is the best we can do in a lockdown situation.
Yeah, sure. I got it.
Arnab's in.
Arnab is.
Yes, I just saw him flash by. Yes, there he is.
Jeff, everyone will think Arnab Goswami is the chief guest now. You better not confuse people.
Okay. Good. Hi, Mahesh.
Just ask for Arnab.
Nina, did you say Vinoba? I can't find him.
I saw him.
Oh, okay.
He's on the next page.
Hi, Shakti.
Hello, sir.
Mithun, how many are waiting according to
Hi,
you?
Vinoba. He's not talking though.
I'm letting them one by one in, ma'am. I'm.
Okay, now how many, anyone waiting according to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where did you disappear now? Yeah, Mithun, yeah. So, how many are in the waiting thing and that you have to admit?
10 of them are there, ma'am.
I know. I'm really having a party. Nina.
There are 35 people and yeah, Jeff.
Okay, this is my Horlicks. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
I've got some cookies here.
All right.
I've got my Omapudi here. So I'm having a party. I don't know about you guys.
I just had my chai, but
coffee.
everyone is welcome to get their own coffee and sit down.
Coffee.
Yeah. I've had my chai, I've got my water here. I'm ready.
Excellent. This is going to be a virtual party.
Mithun, anyone waiting?
Mithun, sir.
Members, can you see?
Mithun, sir.
Give me a minute, ma'am. Just
2 minutes, ma'am. 2 minutes, we should be ready to go.
Give me a minute.
Mithun, once the members are in, we can start, Mithun. Another 2 minutes, we'll start, Mithun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Give me 1 minute.
You need water, I guess? No. So washing. The first page. Yeah. Jeff, it's about 6:10. Vijay, can you start, Jeff? 6:15, Vijay.
Trying to bring in a few more, Nina. Mithun's trying to
Yeah.
call in a few more people.
Okay.
I think Gautam will have a clear idea of the whole team if everybody's in, Gautam.
Just a minute, sir.
Sendil has finished his workout also, so we should go.
Our trainers are good in their formals also. Prakash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, why don't we all chat before we start? Ma'am, Shefali, ma'am, would you all like to say something? Anyone would like to say anything before we start?
Nice one session. Although I was not in a mood to weight loss because of some physical domestic work so and due to lockdown. But still I managed to reduce without any diet, without any restriction to anything, even sweets or everything. Except this, I lost 1 kg. Why I lost 1 kg? Because of the exercise daily schedule what we are following, and the best part is that due to lockdown and due to the 40 minutes period, we are doing exercise continuously. When we go to the gym, we spend time 1.5 hour. But usually what happened, we keep chatting after every exercise. So we are not able to burn out as much as we are burning out here. So I guess I was thinking in that way, it is good for long run also. You can, anybody can make it and we can do virtually exercise. That was my views.
Okay. Sujata, what would you like to say about the program?
I think it got a lot of discipline for food. And of course, I was exercising from before. I've always been into exercise. But it was really nice because they were Priyanka was following me up, Sabina was following me up, and then I knew, yeah, this is the right thing what I'm doing, and this is the wrong thing which I'm doing. So somehow everything got a little more streamlined with this virtual weight loss. And I was conscious about my food, very, very conscious about it. Thanks, Priyanka, and thanks, Sabina.
Thank you, ma'am.
What about
Sabina, would you like to share your experience about the virtual WLC, how different it has been for you? Because you've always been a part of the regular WLC. What was the challenges you faced and how difficult was it or easy was it for you to make the clients exercise or to communicate?
Good evening all. This time virtual WLC was entirely different. Usually we do assessment and all directly with patient, but this time online assessment. First, when thinking about that, it's how it is going to happen was itself was oh, I don't know how it will be, but it went really well. All the clients really cooperated well with us during the video call. They were more self motivated, and they helped us in all the way while assessing and all. And exercise part, since lockdown, all the people were literally bored up at home. So at least when doing exercise, they are due to this, especially this O2 virtual program, they themselves had some idea about exercise, and with our help, our trainers' help, they were really got motivated, and they were doing the exercises regularly. And this time 13.2 kg is really a good thing, big weight loss. So some of people who are not lose much weight, they were due to only to the diet program, they were not able to follow. Otherwise, they are doing well in the exercise and all. Fine, and it was entirely different for me. Thank you.
Mithun, can we encourage people to open up their screens? Because I've been attending the classes and it feels very boring to not to see anyone or make any contact. But at least for the party, can we see you guys?
I would like to say something. When we started this, I was wondering how the virtual weight loss program is going to be and how the commitment is going to be, because there's nobody physically in front of you.
but I think I was totally committed to it, and it was fabulous. Thank you to all of you at O2.
Thank you, Sujata, and to everyone who spoke. Yes, it was challenging for us also to put it together because we had to rack our brains to see how we're going to do the assessment, because it makes you think differently as well, because it is not the usual contact programs. So to do the assessments, to keep the clients motivated, like Shabina said, it was very challenging for us as well. But a big thumbs up to all the clients who were patient and put up with us. And this is one of the first ever virtual challenge that we did, and we can proudly say that too. Priyanka, dietitian, can we hear from you, from your side of challenges and difficulties you felt?
So good evening all. So it's a different experience for me. So virtually the diet follow பண்ண வைக்கிறது இந்த டைம்ல ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் because of the lockdown. But all the participants did well, very well. So it's a different experience for me also, and experience for clients also. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
You're always short and sweet, Priyanka. Can we have Prakash's viewpoint as a trainer? How challenging was it, Prakash, for you?
Every day morning, எல்லா கிளைண்ட்ஸையும் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதனால இந்த நைட்டே நான் வந்து எல்லா வீடியோஸும் ரெடி பண்ணணும். ஸோ அந்த வீடியோஸ் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ வீட்டில இருந்து அவங்க எப்படி பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்க கம்ஃபர்டபுள் பார்த்துட்டு ஸோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நான் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக தான் சார் இருந்தது இந்த டைம். பட் எல்லாமே ஓகே, ஹாப்பியாக பண்ணதுனால ஸோ கிளைண்ட்ஸும் அதை ஏற்றுக்கினாங்க. ஸோ ஃபீலிங் குட் சார்.
Vijay, hi, this is Prasanna this side. I've been with O2 for about 5 years now. Nina, hi, and hi to the other friends and clients who joined in. Just like to add that I think from 2015, before the floods, I think that's the time I joined O2, thanks to my son. Vijay, I don't know whether you remember Siddharth was...
I remember you, I remember Siddharth, and your wife as well, your whole family was coming to O2.
Yeah.
Siddharth came for his rehab first, and then he became a member of
exactly.
Yeah.
Thanks to Siddharth is how I got introduced to O2. It has been fabulous in terms of what you could give to during the the lockdown period. Special kudos to Sundar of O2 from Thuraipakkam. I think he has been very enthusiastic, and he has been really motivating me for much before the weight loss, as part of the weight loss also, and before that when he did on his own also. I think I've sent a mail separately to Nina also, congratulating Sundar. Sundar and Gautam have been really good in motivating all his clients whom I've done a personal PT sessions also with Sundar. I think I'd really like to put a big thank you to Sundar and Gautam for making this fabulous. I think from a business model, I think Nina and Vijay, you can look at this on a long-term basis, not necessarily due to COVID. I think the way you guys have really made it together.
Thank you.
Thank you to everybody of the O2 family.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Like you said, sky is the limit now because we can reach any part of the world through this virtual.
I think you should do it as a business model going forward, not necessarily stopping it due to COVID.
Yes. We want to keep it as ongoing one, and we also want your inputs how to make it better from all of you, so we can do a better job at it when we do the same the next time.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Prasanna.
Thank you, Rati, for your feedback on the chat. I know we are all missing getting back to the gym, missing your training session and your exercise the most. Want you to really try out our virtual classes. It is very, very good, and the ambience, the quality of the training, everything has been top now. We want you to really check it out. Thank you, Anu, for your comments as well. Thank you.
Nice to see Rati. Hi, Rati.
Mithun, can you keep the spotlight on the speaker from now on, Mithun?
I think Vijay,
Yeah, ma'am, we're ready to go, ma'am.
We're ready to go. So
Yes.
meanwhile, I think Mithun will keep track of if anyone has to come
Yes.
in.
Yes.
I don't know if the team of Savera has come in, so can we check on that, Mithun?
Yeah, let them do it, ma'am.
Just keep track of that because we're allowing the members in first. So after that happens, Mithun, please keep track of that. And I think we should get directly into the agenda now, Vijay.
Yes, I think Kiran can take care of the letting the Savera staff in because Mithun may not be familiar.
Okay, so Kiran, Kiran?
I informed him, ma'am. I spoke to him about the.
All right. Okay. So now we're good to go, Mithun. Let's go.
Yes.
I just want to welcome the O2 team and the Savera team, and all the Bob members, the Three Goddess team. Can everybody mute yourself, please? Yeah. So, Mithun, can you please check if everybody is muted, please? Thank you. So, as I told you, we were really happy that we could put this together. Without the support of the Savera team and the O2 team, it would not have been possible. Want to welcome every participant for trying this new thing. I know it is very different, just like how it has been for us and it has been for you as well. And I'd like to thank Nina ma'am and Jeff for their constant input, and of course the team of Mithun, Gautam, and all the team WLC for putting in this effort, and the trainers for their untiring effort. And I'd like to welcome the Bob group, the Duchess members, the Savera group to be a part of this. This also gives them an experience of what we have done through the last 4 weeks, how we did it. And I'm sure it'll inspire and motivate a lot of people going forward here. I would like to call upon our group fitness director, Jeffrey, noted fitness instructor and dance director. Jeffrey, can you please take over?
Hi, everyone who came in before I spoke. Thank you so much for being with us this evening. It was great to dress up and try and look good in this situation, but it's so nice to see so many faces. Meaning we've been starving for company as, yeah, look at that smile of Shailaja, and so nice to see Anu Agarwal and so many known faces, so Rati and all that. So what happens is, I think here with this program that we did, I think we brought up a lot of energy, and we at least engaged you for about 1 hour at the least, or I think I've been seeing Raji at most of the other classes as well. So it's so nice to know that people participated so willingly, and we gave you the opportunity to burn calories, and you took the opportunity. So I think so many of us have got fantastic results. So thank you so much for being on this program and staying with O2 Health Studio. I think it's important that we know that the brand has been there for the very first time in Chennai, and we are still rocking. And to keep rocking during this situation, I think we've really done it well, Vijay and Nina. I think the thought process was good, and we should just pat ourselves because, you know, we need all that at the moment. We need that cushioning and we need that self-confidence. So I'd just like to thank everyone. I'd just like to congratulate our winners. I'd like to thank Gautam, that's our director of this program, Shabina, physio, Priyanka, the dietitian, Sangeeta, who coordinated, Mithun, of course, who let you in every morning and evening for the classes. And yeah, lots of hard work by our 16 trainers who just stayed with us in this situation and really put their heart and soul into the whole program. And as all of us have our favorites, it was so nice to see our favorite trainer doing his workout and, you know, following him, hearing his voice, connecting with the voice, connecting with the trainer. Oh my God, I was really excited to hear all that. Even though I didn't participate in most of the classes, but I just would come in and I would just want to hear and see people and see different faces. I think that's what this program did, kept us connected with the rest of the world. And Shakti, of course, who works from the back with Meshak, our very strong admin team, and to the total back office team. I think we really are very sound with production, if I can say, because being in the dance industry, I think we really produced this program really well. Thanks for thinking of it so meticulously, and everybody came in and gave in their ideas. I think that's what Vijay does. He just doesn't throw things at us. He just has very lengthy meetings and brings in everybody and asks everyone for their input. I think that's what made this so successful, because ideas came in from different areas, and that's what we presented to you. I'm so happy for you, and thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was
Thank-
lovely put. That was lovely put. Okay, as a fitness director, I think it was very challenging for us, but we really enjoyed it putting it together, because we had to think differently. We had to pull in, like Jeff said, a lot of collective ideas to make this work. Right. So, and I also want to thank two external nutritionists who came in to address the sessions. Like we had Suganya, an experienced nutritionist, and then we had our own Tazeen who come and talk to people and give their expert advice, keeping them motivated and giving them the right tips at the right time to stay on track. And today we are happy to say that it worked out well. Yes, it is the first time that we are doing something like this. I'm sure we'll get better at it. And I'd like to thank all the participants for being patient with us and making it a big one for us, given the situation. Yes, going ahead, yes, it is a COVID time, and we don't know when the gym is going to open. It might be a month or maybe later. But what I feel from here is exercising on from here is very important, because exercise improves your immunity. Moderate intense exercise has been scientifically proven to improve immunity. So going ahead, I think we should all continue to exercise, and we should exercise within the limits. Like, we have to be safe when we go out for a walk. We have to take our masks, and we have to follow proper hand hygiene, and continue to do workout from home, because like Siddharth's dad said correctly earlier, like it is how the new world is going to be, working out virtually and getting the right tips and the right advice from the experts. And we can proudly say we had a collective team. It's just not the trainers who are doing the job. It was a physio, a trainer, a nutritionist. We got some external faculties to come and do this program. So we can proudly say we did it systematically, and we only hope to better it from here on. And a big thanks to all the trainers, given the difficult times, giving workouts from their home with poor networks, difficult time schedules. I mean, they've done a great job. And we really hope all this settles down and we get back to business as usual. And in the meantime, we want to continue to serve you through the online fitness portal that we've started, which is the O2 Virtual Fitness. And please do check for the details, and please do enroll your friends and your family, because it's a good initiative and it should not become a waste. So please spread the message, and we'll be happy if you can get in more people. And going on from here, having a well-balanced diet is very important for you. So I know you've done intermittent fasting, but from now on, you have to make sure that your food is balanced with the right amount of carbohydrate, fat, and protein, with minerals and vitamins. So you need to have variety of food groups. You need to start eating a little better, which means you're only going to maintain your weight from now on, and maybe with your exercise, you need to try to bring down a few calories and knock off some more from here. And as I told you, we are here to help you with whether it's a nutrition or your personal training. We have a good team of group fitness instructors, and Jeff has been taking his JPP. So we're all there to help you. You just have to take guidance, and we'll put you on the right track. So with that, I think I'm done with my speech, and if there is anything, I'll add up later. I'd like to invite our managing director and the source of inspiration for Team O2, Savera, and various other groups to come in and share a few words. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Vijay. I think somewhere Jeff and Vijay have mostly covered most points, and I think they've covered it beautifully. I think they've given all the non-participants, the people who are not part of the whole program, a complete picture of what O2 has been able to do for you even during these times. I'm very proud to say that we are the pioneers in fitness in Chennai. We started about 20 years back, and we try to innovate on what kind of fitness we can offer to our members. At the same time, touch wood, I can tell you that most of our exercise programs are very, very safe, and even going forward, we'll make sure that they're much more safe in every kind of way. And Vijay, you all know that I'm the diehard optimist. You all know that. So I think it's going to be very soon before the gyms open up. Maybe it could be just next month, hopefully. But whenever it opens, I would like to tell all of you members who are here and all of those who are not here also, please spread the word that once you come back to the gym, you're going to find everything spick and span, streamlined much more than earlier. The cleanliness is going to be 200% more. And also it's not going to be crowded. We're going to be only allowing members as per time schedule. So things will be really safe. So you can always come back to your gyms without a fear. That's one thing I want to tell before I go on to talk about the program. Yes, I want to thank my whole team, starting from Jeff and Vijay, and of course Mithun. I think he had many sleepless nights also because he gets up early to log on to the 6 o'clock session and then things like that. And he was not well in between, so we're kind of concerned about that. But somehow we got over all that and we're still able to streamline the classes. One thing about my trainers, I must say that, you know, given the kind of challenges that we have given them, a trainer has been a trainer with, you know, I mean, with the machines and with everything else around, they are fantastic trainers. But without all that, if they have to go take a group class, that is a challenge for my trainers. But let me tell you, somewhere we're able to balance it out. And I think today, I can very confidently tell you that they can take a very, very comfortable class. They are definitely going to get better from here. So I request you all, whoever has been on the program, to continue and also to get your buddies in, because come on guys, it's your health, you know, you need to take care of that. And what are we going to spend our money on? We're not going to buy new clothes, new jewelry, new whatever, because I think we just need to buy more of good health. And what better way than to, you know, taking care of it through exercise programs and other things. So don't count your money at this time when you're spending it on your health. It's a very important factor. Coming back to WLC virtual, yes, we had huge fights putting it together because, you know, we didn't know how to project the whole thing. But I'm glad all those fights and all those things helped, because it was done for a good reason, to give all of you a very, very good program. Coming back to the program now, I think we had about 100 odd participants. And of course, you're going to elaborate on how much weight was lost. These 100 participants lost 190.2 kilos. I think we need to applaud for that in the 30 days, which when people say it's some things are not possible, I can definitely tell you after this program, anything is possible, even weight loss. And as usual for any weight loss program that we have done, I think it's the 6th or the 8th one, Vijay. How many? I lost track of the numbers, Vijay.
You mean how many? We started in 2008.
Yeah, so this is about the, we did not do many in between, but when we got back to it about 2 years back, I think this is the 8th program. And yeah, I've been a part of every program because I want to see how the program goes, and I would like to know what it's all about so that I could give the experience as a member. So this program too, I think the first 2 weeks I was able to lose about, I think 2.2 kgs. And I thought I'm going to go for that 4 or 5 kilos, which was my target this time. But I would have gone up to 3 kgs. I think it's not very easy for me to put on weight or to lose weight. You know, I'm in that bracket where it's kind of plateaued. After my weight machine conked off last week and I couldn't fix it, okay? So I gave my weight of the last week to Shabina, and that's how it came to about 2.2 kilos. But I've lost inches, and I think Sabina can tell you later also, I've taken off quite a lot of inches from my hips. I think that's what it's all about. The weight, of course, and also the inches, the inches that you lose. So thank you very much, Jeff. I was very much a part of Jeff's program. And from the time we started 3 months back, I think, wasn't it, Jeff? 3 months old? When did we start your classes? Jeff?
We started on the 1st of April, Nina.
Okay, and I'm glad to say I've not even missed a single class. Right, Jeff? You can vouch for it as my teacher.
That's right. Very, very, very good student.
Yeah, and I've also gone for his free classes because I wanted to make sure that, things are comfortable there also. So glad to say I really enjoy Jeff's classes. And thank you for keeping my weight down, Jeff. Thank you for helping me to do that. Coming back to, again, the diet portion, most of the time I've gone on to the IF, and later on, I think towards evening, I gave up my dinners the the last week or so. So guys, anything is possible, because anyway, you're not feeling that hungry at home. So do continue on your program, and some of us still need to reach our ideal weight. Let's go for it. Nothing is impossible, okay? And thank you, members, thank you, participants, for pitching in for this program and making it a grand success. Thank you to my trainers, my physios, all my managers, all levels, admin staff. Thank you, guys. O2 truly rocks.
Thank you, ma'am. Your favorite question, guess my age. You would like to talk about it? I think you've taken up at least about 20, 30 years in this challenge, I think.
Which one, Vijay?
Your favorite question, guess my age.
She looks 30. She looks 30. We leave it at that.
No, I think I should tell the truth, Jeff, to the world. I've just turned 60 in this lockdown period. And I'm so glad this, my 60th birthday was celebrated among my family members. And every one of my friends contributed through a message or through a video. And I was remembered through all groups. So thank you very much for all the good wishes.
Thank you, ma'am. Right, just to elaborate on what Nina had said, yes, our job is to keep you healthy, right? At the same time, like she said, to keep it safe. The programs are safe, she said. Besides that, yes, also to be effective, and this weight loss challenge has been a proof to it. And I also want to emphasize this is one of the most genuine work that we do, whether Jeff's classes or my therapy or what we do or the trainers do are genuine and from the heart, and which we can proudly say that we do it at O2. And moving on to the other thing, what Nina was trying to address is about when the gym opens. Yes, we have planned for some SOPs in place. We want to be ahead of the curve. Yes, we have a lot of safety measures. Like she was mentioning, it'll be a slot based, it'll be a 45-minute program even then. So you'll have to book your slot, whether it's 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, whatever. And there'll be a 15 minutes of cleaning time to sanitize the place. And we already made arrangements in most of our centers, pumping in fresh air and making sure the vents are done. And we're also planning in some centers a makeshift outdoor facility, right? And yes, you'll be having UV scanners so where you can put your gloves and everything to scan it, and your mobile phones and stuff like that. So lots are planned. And going forward, like Mr. Prasanna was telling, virtual thing is here to stay, because not everybody is going to be comfortable, especially the 65 plus. So it is here to stay, and we want to enhance it better, and we want to do it better. And I'm sure it will only get better from here regarding the virtual fitness. So there's another vertical that is available for you. That's what we want to tell you. It's just not the gym for the people who are scared or apprehensive or who are 65 plus with comorbidities. This is here to stay. And in terms of another thing I want to emphasize is, without your support, which also means a monetary support, it's not going to be possible for us to sustain for a long time, because our industry is also affected just like any other hospitality industry is. So it needs a lot of your support. So you need to spread the word. So we humbly request you all of that. So if you can support our trainers and our team, so we can take it forward and spread the health and in a more sincere way to the whole world. So with that, I'd like to share a few testimonial videos. So nice of a lot of members to share testimonial videos. You're going to see a few of them, and then I'll leave it to the program director, Gautam, to take over from there.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Sadhil. I have lost 10 kg. Simple, I followed former diet plan. Morning I drink water or kanji, Malay soda, like that. And I take my first meal at idli, dosa, like that. And night 8 o'clock I take my second meal. Same idli, dosa or kind of rice I have, some sambar sadam. I have 100 grams of chicken, and I use only traditional rices like khichdi sambar, punga, kuyamali, and
Okay, just for feedback, are you guys able to see the video? Is it visible?
No, I don't think so, Vijay.
It's not visible? Okay. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Simple. I followed the former diet plan. Morning I drink water or
Audio not visible.
or 2,500. I don't count. I do that for 15 minutes. Masadam. I have 100 grams of chicken, and I use only traditional rices like khichdi sambar, punga, kuyamali, and garden sambar kind of thing, and karpu kauni I add in my diet. That's all. Nothing more I did, and I do my exercise regularly for half an hour intensive exercise, and skipping for count. I do that for 15 minutes. That's the thing. Drink plenty of water and add egg in your diet. In my plate, I have, I'll send the photos also, what I have daily. And the main thing, 2 meals a day.
என்னோட ஃபுல் நேம் டாக்டர் கமல்மணி. நான் வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் ராயப்பேட்டை ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன் அண்ட் மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆர்த்தோபெடிக் சர்ஜன். ஸோ 1 மந்த்து மேலே ஒரு 40 days இருக்கும். அந்த டைமில் நான் வந்து விஜய் கிட்ட எனக்கு நீ பெயின் இருக்குன்னு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது, ராங்காக எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ண தெரியல அப்படி சொல்லும்போது he was telling like I gained weightலாம் சொன்னேன். he was telling like shortly இந்த மாதிரி weight loss challenge ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்கன்னு. Then I got a call from
O2 program. What is it important?
அப்புறம் பிரவீன், அப்புறம் அகஸ்டின், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அகஸ்டின் தான் கால் பண்ணாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாரும் பண்ணும்போது லைக் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்கன்னு. ஸோ ஐ தாட் லைக் நான் ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் பிளேஃபுல்லாக தான் இருந்தேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து நான் லாக்டவுன்னால எங்களுக்கு ஈவினிங் பயங்கர ப்ராக்டிஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் ரோமிங்லேயே இருப்போம். ஸோ அதனால் ஈவினிங் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ஃப்ரீனால நிறைய சாப்பிட்டு ஐ கெயின் ஒரு 7 to 10 kg கிட்ட நான் வெயிட் கெயின் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆகணும், ஐ நீட் டு ரெடியூஸ் மை வெயிட். அது ஒரு வெறி இருந்தது. ஸோ இவங்க சொன்ன மோட்டிவேஷன் அந்த குரூப் எக்ஸசைஸ் அந்த கரெக்ட் டைமிங்க்கு கரெக்டாக ஷார்ப்பாக மெசேஜ் வந்துடும், கரெக்டாக இந்த டைமுக்கு ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பாருங்கன்னு. ஸோ அப்புறம் யோகா கிளாஸ் இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு பிடிச்சது, எனக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரியும் இருந்தது. அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி எனக்கு நீ ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரியும் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ நானும் இன்வால்வாக பண்ணேன். I think I've reduced weight. It's all because of this weight loss challenge and just motivate. என்னோட மோட்டிவேஷன் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது, உங்களோட மோட்டிவேஷன் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் த வண்டர்ஃபுல் டைம். அண்ட் ஐ திங்க் இன்னும் நான் கொஞ்சம் இழைச்சிட்டேன்னா நான் காலேஜ் படித்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுவேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்ஸ் டு த டீம் அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் டு விஜய் அண்ட் ஆல் லைக் சபினா அப்புறம் பிரியங்கா, அகஸ்தன் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. Keep doing and keep motivating. Love you all. Love you. Thank you.
I'm Benjamin from O2 Thoraipakkam. First of all, I would like to thank all the trainers, the physios, the dietitians, and the entire O2 management for taking this extraordinary step through virtual training sessions and WLC program. During lockdown especially, because I thought ever since lockdown was been announced, I won't be going to the gym. That's what I thought. But you guys brought gym to our homes. You guys proved me wrong. And all the training sessions are like very different every day. They concentrate on different aspects. And even the WLC program, all the trainers are very keen on making all the participants' health better. I thank O2 very much for this extraordinary step they have done to us during lockdown. Thank you very much, O2.
Thank you.
மார்னிங் எவ்ரிபடி. இந்த லாக்டவுனில் வந்து நான் வெயிட் லாஸ் சேலஞ்ச் எடுத்தேன். O2 இன்ஸ்டியூட்டை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. அதை இந்த லாக்டவுனால ஜிம் போகிறதுனால இப்போ பாடி அப்படி இருக்குது இப்படி யோசிக்கவே தேவையில்லை. அவங்க சொல்கிற ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுனால டெய்லி ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்குது பாடி. ஃபிட்னஸ் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணால் அவங்க டெய்லி தர அட்வைசஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணால் கரெக்டாக பாடி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் வந்து சந்தோஷ் சார் என்னோட கோச்சு. சந்தோஷ் சார் என்னோட கோச். அவர் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு எக்ஸசைஸ் டெய்லி நான் பண்ணுறேன். அது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது எனக்கு. எந்த வழியும் எதுவும் தரலை. பாடி ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்குது. கரெக்டாக ஃபிட்டாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. தேங்க்யூ இன் ஸ்டுடியோ இந்த மாதிரி கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அண்ட் இட்ஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஒன். தேங்க்ஸ் அலாட்.
Hey everyone, my name is Ekta and I've been enrolled with O2 since past 2 years, and I've been working out with Sundar, who is my trainer. And my experience so far with him and with the gym is great. And even in tough times like this, O2 and Sundar, they're taking good care of us by providing really good exercise and fitness regimes. And they are taking care of our fitness in tough times like this. So we're really grateful and looking forward to more workout sessions with Sundar. Bye.
Right. Thank you so much for all the people who took time off to give us the testimonials. We really appreciate it. And we have few more to show. But before that, I'd like to leave it to the program director to tell us about how the whole thing fell in place and how we took it forward. And we will announce the winners not during this talk, but after he finishes how we went through the whole process. And after that, we'll have a few more videos to show, and then we'll announce the winners. Gautam, please take over. Gautam is a physiotherapist and he's been with us for more than 5 years. He handles Thoraipakkam branch and he has been a program coordinator and program director for the last few years. Very happy to have you, Gautam. You also tell us about your team and then you can take it from there.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. It has been 4 weeks since we started this virtual weight loss challenge, first of its kind, very challenging. I want to share a few things about that before we move forward to the felicitation program. Mithun, can I have screen sharing? So we have started first in 2009 as a fast track weight loss program. Then the challenge was designed to make people active, eat better and have fun and safe in a scientific way. Years and we transformed the program. The program got better. And through all these editions, it has already, it's always been better. But this time, the virtual weight loss program is the first of its kind. It started in 18th June 2020 and ended on 17th July 2020. The program is first of its kind, unlike the past editions, since every part of the program, the initial and the final assessment, the physio and diet consultation, and the training, everything was virtual. There were around 100 participants for the competition. 16 trainers were on job to train them. 1 fitness consultant. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, Gautam. Yes, we can.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, there were 100 participants for the competition. 16 trainers were on job to train them. 1 fitness consultant to overlook the quality of training. A physiotherapist to screen their fitness and manage their injuries. A dietitian to check their food habits and give them diet plan to aid their goal. We collected the initial consent forms for the competition through email, since we can't meet them in person. Physical activity readiness questionnaire, which was very important to move forward. We need to know their injuries or else past medical history, their problems, everything. So physical activity readiness is a important part before we start the program. So it has been done through a Google form. We finished the diet counseling through voice calls, and our dietitian issued them diet charts, and initial fitness screening was done through video calls. Weekly tracking has been done for both diet and fitness, and every week the results have been published with leaders every week. Training was given through virtual Zoom sessions with different types of training styles like core and upper body, core and lower body, high intensity interval training, body weight training, yoga, Zumba, TheraBand ball and stretches. Different types of styles of program to cater people who, which type of training they can choose. They can choose a program, particular program. And people who are comfortable to come to the common Zoom platform and train with us, they came with us. But people who are not comfortable with that and want to train with their own trainers, they trained with the trainers. The trainers saw them personally, and there were people who just received the videos and trained too. People who had a poor bandwidth, can't go online training, or else the time doesn't permit them with their working style, everything. They got the videos from the trainers and trained. So there are different types of members we need to train. And we had a lot of challenges with this people working from home. They had very less amount of time to train with us. Our trainers had a very hard time to get on with them. They try to reach every member and try to get a time slot for them to train, try to get them to the online classes, or I'll send them videos, keep them motivated. There were total 100 participants, 12 from Nungambakkam, 12 from Besant Nagar, 16 from Ashok Nagar. Thoraipakkam had 36 members, Body Lyrics 14. And the total weight loss was 30.6 kilos from the Nungambakkam branch members, 36.7 kilos from the Besant Nagar branch, 33.6 kilos from the Ashok Nagar branch, and 49.9 from the Thoraipakkam branch, and 39.4 kilos from the Body Lyrics. On a whole, 190.2 kilos have been lost through these members. Though there were participants who are inactive too, these numbers relate to people who were active and doing the 3 types of training which I already mentioned. Okay, and leaving about, yeah.
Thanks,
so,
Gautam. We'll come to the winners in a few minutes.
Yes, sir.
Stop the screen share, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Like Gautam rightly put it, it was very interesting at the same time for us to motivate people. And look, yes, thanks, Gautam. It was nicely put. You've given the nice brief about what we did. And it is so heartwarming to see 190 kilograms being lost at an average of 2 kilograms per person, which is amazing. we did have about 140 people enrolling initially, and 40 people dropped out for various reasons. So by the time we started, we had about 100 members, and then we had about 25 people not being very active throughout the session, because Gautam rightly said, they had their own reasons, working from home, they didn't find time, so it was challenging for them. So roughly, even if you take 80 people who actively participated, is a great amount of result that we managed to achieve. Thanks to O2 team and to all the participants to putting in their effort and energy to achieve this goal. Right, so before we announce the winners, we have a few more testimonial videos, not many, just a few more, and then we'll announce the winners.
Hello everyone. So the past month I did something which is one of the greatest achievements that I've ever done. That is lose weight. I've lost almost 6.5 kgs. I know this is just the beginning, but still it's a lot in the beginning itself. And for this I have to thank 3 people who are most important for the past 1 month. That would be Shabina the physiotherapist, Vinoba the trainer, and Priyanka the dietitian. So they all helped me get over not only the weight loss but also a little bit of minor mishap that happened before the weight loss challenge. So almost 1 point.
Okay, were you able to see the screen? Mithun, was the screen visible?
No video, only audio, Vijay.
Okay,
No
only
video.
audio was there.
You can see the folder screen.
I think some other screen was shared, I think. Okay. No.
Hello everyone. So the past month I did something which is one of the greatest achievements that I've ever done. That is lose weight.
No video. No video.
It sounds like a cricket match.
It's a lot in the beginning itself. And for this I have to thank 3 people who are most important for the past 1 month. That would be Shabina the physiotherapist, Vinoba the trainer, and Priyanka the dietitian. So they all helped me get over not only the weight loss but
Lakiran?
No video, Vijay.
Okay, just give me a second, ma'am. We're just sharing it now.
Okay.
everyone. So the past is something which is one of the greatest achievements that I've ever done.
Is it visible now?
No.
No, sir.
Lost almost.
Okay. Which one? Window okay. Okay, now you
6.5 kgs. I know this is just the beginning, but still.
Ilya, no?
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Usha Swaminathan from O2 Pesanagar. A wonderful initiative taken by O2 at this most difficult time of conducting workout sessions.
என்ன பண்ணணும் வீடியோ
இது வேலை இல்ல தண்ணி ஊத்தி ஜாஸ்தி பண்ணுவீங்க நீங்க அப்பா பண்ணிப்பா
WLC வா
சவுதி வெச்சு ஊத்திக்கோ ஆனா சொல்லு
okay got it okay
I'm Usha Swaminathan from O2 Pesanagar. The wonderful initiative taken by O2 at this most difficult time of conducting workout sessions over Zoom at various time slots is highly commendable. All the trainers are extremely efficient and we get a feeling that we get a personal training every single day. Hope this continues till we limp back to normalcy. Thank you very much.
I have to go to the I have to go to the desktop. Okay, ma'am, just give me a minute till I fix it. Can you continue the conversation? 1 minute.
Vijay, we can join the videos later, Vijay. It's our thing.
Okay, since okay, I'm going to just try it once. If it is not working, I want.
Yeah, I think we should just join the videos later, Vijay, because I don't think the focus is getting lost. So let us go back to that. We'll come back to the test. We can join them onto our YouTube later, Vijay. Gautam, are you ready with the others? Vijay is just going to try one more time.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Musha Swaminathan from O2 Besanagar. The wonderful initiative taken by O2 at this most difficult time of conducting workout sessions over Zoom at various time slots is highly commendable. All the trainers are extremely efficient and we get a feeling that we get a personal training every single day. Hope this continues till we limp back to normalcy. Thank you very much.
Okay. Absolutely. Okay. Okay. One shall I learn?
Vijay, but I think people have to leave also, so let's get on with the program.
Gautam, can you come in, Gautam?
So,
yeah, Gautam, you finish your
felicitation.
Yeah, Jeff, you and Gautam can do the felicitation, Jeff.
Yes, we could, Vijay. No problem.
Yeah, please go ahead, Jeff.
Gautam.
So, shall we, sir?
I think we need to clear the screen before that.
Gautam, you can go on to your certification and yes, please.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Let's start with the felicitation of the winners. We had 100 participants in total, and we have 6 winners lined up over there in the category of first winner, first runner-up, and second runner-up in both male and female categories. So coming to the second runner-up in the male category, Mr. Kaushik. Mr. Kaushik, who belongs to Nungambakam branch, trained under Vinoba to lose 6.4 kilos in 4 weeks.
Could we all unmute and make some noise?
Can we have Kaushik on
Spotlight on Kaushik, please.
Yeah, hi, hello. I'm in spotlight now.
Not yet. Mithun, Kaushik has to be in the spotlight.
Just a minute.
Screen, complete screen, entire screen is not seeing. Entire screen. Yeah.
Stop sharing only when.
So hi everyone. So is everyone able to see my video?
Yeah.
Yeah, can.
Okay. So this actually played into our right hands because being a newer younger generation, we are more suitable with the virtual thing than going to gym.
Kaushik,
The
can
NEET
we have
exam-
you? Can we have someone put the sash on you, please?
Yeah, I haven't received my sash because I'm in Madurai.
Oh, you're the one who's in Madurai.
Sash.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm the one who's in Madurai.
Sash
Yeah.
and certificate எடுத்துரும். அங்க
Okay,
வச்சிருக்கு.
okay, got it.
Bagla.
Okay, virtual sash. Virtual sash. Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay, I'll write on myself.
Okay, he was one person we were looking for till about 9 o'clock in the night yesterday because we had to reach everything. And then I think we couldn't even reach it to your friends yesterday because they were not taking the calls, Kaushik. So you lost out on your cake and other things. So maybe another time. Okay?
Yeah, no
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please talk.
So the NEET and every other exams which got me to medical college actually screwed all my body weight. So I was actually thin before 10. So after 10, it automatically started getting weight. And during NEET, I was like very heavy. And first year, I played basketball a little, tried to reduce. The college just didn't allow me. And with me saying this NEET, probably would have guessed I'm a little bit of introverted. And that's why I'm speaking this fast. So what happened is this virtual weight loss came at the right moment and right time. So virtual played into our right hands. At the comfort of my home, I'm able to do exercise. And the major advantage for me was diet. I was able to control diet as I was at home. Before in hostel, the diet is totally out of our control. It's the hostel toilet food or what we order from Swiggy or such. Now it's all under my home mother's sweet cooking and everything here that's actually controlled. So that is a great effort taken by Priyanka dietitian who gave a simple diet which wasn't that difficult to follow, but it caused me to lose 6.4 kilos.
Excellent.
Yeah. So Priyanka actually is a really great hats off. I never thought the diet would work. It was so simple, but yet it was effective. And then Shabina and Vinoba, every week they had follow up. But the last 1 week, my God, they were calling me every day to check up on me. And that probably motivated more.
Excellent.
Because they were about to give up. Yeah, Shabina and Vinoba were calling almost every day the last week. They called, checked up on me. Priyanka called 2 days once.
Kaushik, what is your goal? I mean, this is not the end. This is just the beginning, right?
Yeah, this is just the beginning. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep going for your goal. Yeah.
Yeah, I will. So that's it for me, I guess. And yeah.
So congratulations once again. So keep up
Thank
the
you.
weight loss and we will be in touch with you, right?
Kaushik, here's your sash.
I'm not
Your
able
sash
to
is
see your video.
Congrats, Karthik. Keep going.
Okay.
Congrats, Kaushik.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shall we move on to the next
Yes,
person?
Yes, Gautam.
Prasida, second runner-up in the female category.
Wow.
Prasida from Ashok Nagar, trained under Kalai, has lost 8.8 kilos in 4 weeks.
Wow, lovely.
Can we have Miss Prasida on screen, please?
Wow. You're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
Tell us about you, Prasida. How did you do it?
It was like extremely very difficult, being very honest, because just by not hitting the gym, we generally think that we cannot do any kind of workout. Just by I should just say that this WLC program has helped me a lot, just by sitting at home, by losing some kilos and knowing myself that, okay, fine, I can do something by my own self, but just by being at home, by having some proper intake of food with low carbs and high rich in proteins, whatever the food items, especially the dietitian and Shabina, they kept calling at the final week and they motivated to the core. So I would really be very grateful for this WLC program. And ma'am, especially you, because I still remember the first day you told one sentence saying that just being at home, we can actually have and that podi, which you told her mom. I really had taken that extremely, and I used to have that podi every day.
That's okay.
Whenever I want to have something snacking or something. This is it.
Okay, so take care, Prasida, and please continue because now the next few days will be difficult. So try not to go back and don't give up till you reach your ideal weight. Okay, O2 is always there for you. All right. Take care.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations
Definitely.
once again. So can we
Thank
see
you.
Ash, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'll ask my brother to hold it on.
Yes, please. I'd like to see that. Wow.
Wow, lovely.
That's so good.
Thank you.
Fantastic. And you're looking fantastic also, Prasida. Take care of yourself. And now you can cut your cake. Is the cake in front of you or it is finished by the family members?
No.
This is the best we could do to celebrate your victory. There you are. I want to thank my team, Savera. Oh, lovely. So, you have the knife with, yeah, super. There you go. Good for you.
Wow, lovely.
I would like to thank my bakery team at Savera and Jesu and Kumar especially for putting this together. And Santosh Balaji from our manager at housekeeping for putting together the sashes. So this is a formal thank you to them, right? Take care. See you around. Bye-bye. 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 Gautam?
Yes. You can taste the cake, Prasida.
Next one, Gautam.
Mithun, could you start screen sharing for me?
Just a minute.
Are you going for the first runner-up, Gautam?
First runner-up, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And who is it, Gautam?
It's Mr. Sendil Adiban from Body Lyrics.
Ah, there you go.
There you are. He's the one who was the one who was exercising.
Yeah.
I think he's just finished, Nina.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Excellent, Sendil.
Mr. Sendil Adiban from Body Lyrics has lost 10 kilos under the training of Balamurli.
Wow. Super.
Super.
Hi.
Sendil, tell us how you did it.
No, ma'am. It's like before I told, it's like I have my own diet plan. I go for my traditional race. I do farming. In 2018, I did Karungurube rice. And 2019, I went for Garden Samba. And this year, the Protasimas ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து I'll go for Tuyamali and Ilpambu Samba. This kind of rice. I have 50-60 varieties of traditional rice. What we நம்ம தாத்தா எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டு இருந்த ரைசஸ் அது மட்டும் தான் என்னோட டயட்ல நான் வந்து இன்க்ளூட் பண்றேன். நத்திங் இந்த சாலட் நான் வாங்குவேன். சாலட் சாப்பிடணும்னு எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆசை இருக்கும். எல்லா வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாங்குவேன். கடைசியில வந்து யாருக்குனாச்சும் கொடுத்துருவேன். வாட்ச்மேன் யாருக்குனா கொடுத்துருவேன். நான் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். ஸோ இட்ஸ் லைக் மை திங் இஸ் லைக் ஐ கோ ஃபார் ரைஸ், ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் ரைஸ். I have idli, dosa. I love cooking. I cook my food. For past 4 years, I'm cooking my food.
Wow.
Main secret of weight loss is like
eat like a farmer. காலையில கஞ்சி அண்ட் 12 மணி உச்சவெயில் அடிக்கும் போது சாப்பாடு, ஒரு 8 மணிக்கு டின்னர், அதோட அவ்வளவுதான். Then I don't have anything, and I drink herbal water. Like I have a lot of plants over here. I have some herbal plants also. Basil, tulasi. Tulasi is kind of a basil, and கற்பூரவள்ளி இலை எல்லாமே வந்து கஷாயம் மாதிரி வச்சு I drink that. That's the thing. Nothing more than that. நம்ம ஃபுட் நம்மது மேக்ஸிமம் நான் வந்து monthly 2 times I go for outside food. I order my food or I go somewhere and take away. That's it. Nothing.
So what made you actually drop your weight suddenly by 10 kilos in this 30 days? What actually happened?
Main thing, before I used to have 4 meal a day. Now it's like I went for a 2 meal. That's the main thing. And all the trainers. And I have a lot of injuries. It's like Vijay Sars know. It's like in 2012, I had my shoulder displaced. He only take care of me and everything. And now also I have my calf muscle injuries and everything. But I don't stop doing workout.
Good.
It's like I got bored and I got stressful life and everything. I go to clinic and see patients. Meantime, I make sure I do exercise for 30 seconds.
Super. Very, very, very inspiring. So where is your sash, Senthil? Is it around you?
It's here.
So can you please put it on so we could take a picture of you, and yeah, that will be good.
Yeah. I think
upside down from the other side.
Oh, it's upside down. Okay.
On your right shoulder.
Super.
Oh,
super, ma.
And here is your thing. And I'm
whoa! So nice.
Vijay, I think we have a very glamorous farmer out here. I think he's really inspired us to eat traditional food, but I think the preparation and after that the workout is important. So congratulations, Doc, once again. So look after yourself, and then we'll see you very soon.
Great. Nice, inspiring for videos on the Instagram as well, motivating a lot of people.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
And very interesting diet. Amazing.
Super.
Traditional food. Like chef also was saying, traditional food giving so much of goodness. Fantastic.
I know.
Sure.
Trying to do so much with our modern thinking, but you know, when you go back to where you started, I think all the goodness comes from there. Thank you, Senthil. Very inspiring.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So who's the second runner-up in the women's category?
Second runner-up is Miss Tamil Mani.
Miss Tamil Mani is the...
Miss Tamil Mani from Body Lyrics has lost 10.9 kilos under the training of Augustine. Miss Tamil Mani.
10.9 kilos. Fantastic.
Super. Ma'am, do you have a sash with you? Please put it on. Please put on your sash and tell us about it. Congratulations.
You people are the real heroes, yeah. You all can do so much.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please put it on. Ma'am, please put on your sash and then you can talk.
Amazing.
Yeah. Superb.
Thank you so much.
Looks like Miss O2.
For this certificate, I think I'm first runner-up. I think so. So thank you so much. And can I talk? Is it audible?
Yes, please. Yes,
please go ahead.
So, being a doctor, my husband is an orthopedic surgeon, and I came to the board to Body Lyrics 4 years back to meet Vijay for a consultation, not for the workout, not for the gym. And after seeing him, after his mesmerizing voice and his treatment, though my husband is an orthopedic surgeon, I met him for my knee problem. Because of my severe knee joint pain, I had to travel to UK for a short trip. So I was trying to cancel that program on that day, and that particular day. My people were telling me about Vijay. I didn't know Vijay before. Then I met Vijay. After that, I liked the place, and I used to come to Savera for my kitty party. Often I used to come for food. I like your food also. Now I have to tell you this. And I gained weight during this lockdown period. Nalla, my husband is a very good cook actually. Super.
Wow.
And I have a super duper organic garden in a terrace. So, vegetables, greens, every day, morning, afternoon, night, 3 வேளைக்கும் non-veg சாப்பிடுவோம் கட்டாயமா. We used to have a lot of non-veg, and he used to, try. My daughter is a very good, try to cook, baker. So she bakes a lot of cakes and cheese, layer and cheese put. Suddenly weight, I gained so much weight. And one day I called Vijay, and knee pain I already in the testimony. Then he was telling me shortly the program irukku. Ana ummile solrana romba nariya programs ku varata I do exercise at home, and Augustine was my trainer. He was a wonderful person. Nijamave solrona, I have to tell him ipo avanukkaga na or kai thadikren because he was supporting me, and also Sabina and Vijay appo na WhatsApp la pesipen and madri. And enakke theriyala na ivlo weight koranjirukken enak ummila I was like enak theriyadu ana enak ஒரு ஆசை என்னன்னா நான் வந்து மத்தியானம் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போயிட்டு இந்த கோவிட் டைம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இட்ஸ் a very tough time. எங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அதிகமா இருக்கும். We are taking care of COVID patients also. Lot of recommendations நிறைய இடத்துல வரும், நிறைய ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருக்கும். அந்த டைம்ல will eat நம்மளுக்கே தெரியாம. பட் ஆனா ராஜி மாமி பார்த்தேன். ராஜி மாமி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ராஜி மாமி பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு வாட்டி அவங்களே வின்னரா வருவாங்க. எனக்கு வந்து நீனா ரெட்டியோ இல்லைன்னா விஜயோ இல்ல என்னோட மென்டார் கிடையாது. என்னோட மென்டார சொல்லி ராஜி மாமி ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஐ மீன் நான் நினைப்பேன் அவங்க எப்படி அழைக்கிறாங்க, நம்ம ஏன் இழைக்க முடியாது? ஏன் நான் வெயிட் லாஸ் இஸ் நாட் இம்பாசிபிள் இல்லையா? இம்பாசிபிள்ங்கிற வார்த்தை நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ண கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஐ ட்ரைட் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஐ திங்க் ஐ எம் ஹியர் ரைட் நவ் ஆல் பிகாஸ் யுவர் சப்போர்ட். உங்க WLC எனக்கு ஒரு பயங்கர சப்போர்ட் வந்தது, மாரல் சப்போர்ட் இருந்தது. நான் வந்துட்டு கம்ப்ளீட்டா கார்ப்ஸ் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டேன். இவ்வளவு வெயிட் வித்தின் a month குறைந்து. டாக்டரா சொல்லும் போது இட்ஸ் ராங் ஆக்சுவலி, பிகாஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா தான் குறைக்கணும். நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி ஐ திங்க் ஐ வில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஈட்டிங் கொஞ்சம் கார்ப்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடணும். பட் வி நீட் சம் ஃபேட், வி நீட் சம் கார்ப்ஸ், ப்ரோட்டீன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ராப்பரா சாப்பிடணும். இனி இந்த டயட்டிஷியன் சொல்றதை ஃபாலோ பண்றேன் அண்ட் ஐ வில் டூ மை ரொட்டீன் எக்ஸசைஸ். அண்ட் எனக்கு ஆச்சரியம் தெரியுமா, இந்த வர்ச்சுவலா பண்ணும்போது எப்படி பண்ண முடியும், நம்மளால முடியுமா நிறைய டைம் யோசிக்க முடியும். ஆனா பண்ணும்போது இதுக்கு ரொம்ப குஷி வந்துருச்சு. பட் ஐ மிஸ் ஆல் ஜெஃப் சாரோட கிளாஸ் நான் நிறைய மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், பார்த்தது இல்ல. ஐ திங்க் இனிமேட்டுக்கு நான் பண்ணுவேன். அப்ப நீங்க சொன்னீங்க உங்களுக்கு 60 years சொன்னா உங்களுக்கு நீங்க ரம்யா கிருஷ்ணன் மாதிரி வயசானாலும் படம் பார்த்தேன். பாகுபலி பார்க்கும்போது உங்களை பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு ரம்யா கிருஷ்ணன் உங்க பக்கத்துல ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டா எனக்கு தெரியாது. பட் யூ ஆர் அமேசிங், பியூட்டிஃபுல். ஹார்ட்லயும் சரி, மனசுலயும் சரி, வார்த்தைகளையும் சரி. யூ ஆர் பியூட்டிஃபுல் அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் மை டீம். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you again for everything. You as a professional, as doctors, today you are our God. So this is for all the doctors in the world who are doing a fantastic service. Thank you so much.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Congratulations, Dr. Tamil. Now it is time to manage your weight. Ama. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாள் allowed. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாள் allowed.
Yeah, கேக் மாத்திக்கோங்க. நான் கேக் கட் பண்ணத சாப்பிட போறதில்ல.
Join you.
மேம் எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுங்க மேம், திருசார் எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுங்க.
Super. Fabulous. Very, very proud.
You want me to cut the cake?
Yes, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Oh, I stopped having kg calls and stuff. I don't want to start it again.
Little at least, yeah. Good. My chef is happy.
This cake goes to Vijay first. Because he only told me to start this, no? So,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
dog. Bye-bye. Take care.
Take
See you
care.
around.
Yeah.
Hmm. Lovely. That was beautiful. And that too in these times, Vijay, when they're also stressed and they're still doing their work as well as looking, this is quite amazing. Seriously. So now we come to the winners, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, coming to the winners. Winners in the men category, Mohammad Idris for Thoraipakam, trained by Nijandan. Mohammad Idris sir has lost 10.2 kilos of weight under the training of Nijandan.
Idris, come on. Vanga.
Idris sir.
Hello, hello, ma'am.
Hi, Idris.
Am I audible?
Yes, very much, but you're not visible yet. Spotlight. Yeah.
Yes.
No, I should be visible now. Yes. Okay.
Is your sash next to you, Idris?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm in Kadalur. Actually, I couldn't get that.
Okay, so who has received it yesterday? Someone received it on your
Yes,
behalf.
one of my friend received it. Actually, initial plan is like, he was about to travel, but then due to other situations, he couldn't travel.
Okay, so he has got it. Okay, great. So
Yeah,
congratulations. Yes, congratulations. So do keep it up. And when you come back, I think you need to just get back to the gym when it opens, right? Yeah?
Definitely.
So tell us how you did it. Tell us how you did it now.
Yes. See, during this lockdown, I added up a lot. But believe me, even in the lockdown also, I didn't, stop, doing workout. But then the problem is, it's my bad that all the workout that I did is only for my teeth and tongue, munching all sort of snacks, vadas, and sitting at the comfort of the couch, right, with my HP ProBook on my lap, in the name of work from home and all that, right. It was little late that I realized, my waistline is going up and adding up a lot of kgs and all that. Then, I tried, all sort of things, running, jogging, rolling, jumping, things like, whatever that I learned earlier. But then I couldn't, get it through. I was just thinking, right, how good it would be like if O2 comes up with the WLC again. And then, O2 surprised me, and, it was kind of, aha moment for me that WLC was announced and the Shabina ma'am and Nijandan was, reaching out to me. Then, that's the first thing, I felt very happy about it and enrolled myself, because having tasted the success, I know the efficacy of it. So I'm all for it, right? I went ahead and, enrolled. Initial days, it was little tougher. But then, as I said, right now, having, it is kind of, WLC has its own proven track record. I was been there from fat to fit time. And, I know how much, the motivation, how much energy that will be like when we all work together. And the kind of support that we get from O2, it is amazing, right? So I'm very pretty sure that, right, we'll be achieving some good results on that. Thanks, Neena ma'am, Vijay sir, Shabina ma'am, Nijanda.
The hard work was all yours, like I told you in the group. So all that is your hard work. So we're very happy if you can keep it up and reach your desired weight. And please look after yourself and keep healthy. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. And just a few words, ma'am. Whether it's 3 kg or 13 kg, whatever, right? What matter most is the learning and the practice that we were subjected ourselves into. WLC is more of a framework that educated us a lot, right? Now I really wanted to thank everyone, and congratulations everyone, pat on your back, and let's take these learnings forward. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Drishta. So happy for you. You've been a part of all the editions. So, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Gautam, we come to the final winner now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Very proud to say that the winner in the women's category is our Raji Benny, who's marketing manager from HOD from Savera, and she's actually a winner in all categories, not only in this. She is a fantastic marketing person, and she keeps us in good business. And also whatever she takes on, she takes it on like with a lot of passion. She also does our PR. And with all this, she's also learning bhajans with us. So there you go, Raji. You are a true winner in every sense. Very, very, very proud of you guys.
Rajivani has lost massive 13.2 kilos under the training of Saravanan. Rajivani of Nungamakam.
Superb.
Super.
Lovely.
Superb.
Thank you.
Lovely, Raji.
And you're glowing. You're glowing, huh?
Thank you.
Beautiful.
So tell us, Raji, where's your sash, Raji?
Yes.
Very nice.
A whole lot of us from Savera are also here, I think, and they're all cheering you on, okay? Very proud of you, Raji.
Yes.
Tell us how you did it.
Yes, how I did it, I can say all because of my trainer, Mr. Saravanan. Actually, I've been a part of WLC all the time, but I used to be on a second place, and I think okay, 5 kg is okay. But last year, so happened my second place was coming up, and she was able to come closer to me and going to beat me. And my trainer, Mr. Saravanan, said, "No, we are going to win." And I can never forget, my son was laughing at me because I went in the morning and worked out 1 hour in the gym. And evening, Mr. Saravanan called me at 4 o'clock and said, "Come to the gym." I just told my office people, "Okay, fine, all the work I done," and went there at 10 o'clock. Till 10 o'clock, I worked out. And the second place was the benchmark for us. I was less than her. But I worked out and go and weigh, worked out and go and weigh. And I never believed that workout can reduce. And I'm having a watch which is, Fitbit. And now I'm very conscious about what I am burning also. And Shabina ma'am was telling I had to burn 600 calories. And from morning till evening, I was doing 2 hours workout, interval training and everything. I could come up to 480. And I was doing Zumba till 12 in the night. And I really worked hard, and I thought due to my age, I cannot work hard. But my trainers said, no age limit. You can, and I can see Mr. Jeffrey Warden, there is no age for him. For Madam Meena Reddy, there is no age for her. So I know there's no age bar. So I had come out of that fear and thinking that something will happen, injury will happen. And I can say that I'm feeling so light. And it's always a sense of achievement. Like ma'am said, if I take it something and I wanted to do with passion. And my trainer is much more passionate than me. And when I say I'm panting, I say, enough, Mr. Saravanan. He said, no, another 10 counts. He will say 1, 2, 3, 4. And I say, my dead body only will come. I may win, but I am not there to collect the gift. I used to tell him. But he is a person who pushed beyond the limit. And I can say last year, it is because of him. This year also, before you start the WLC, I started my WLC because he was giving exercise in our group, and I was doing it. And I can see my suit, I had to fold it like this. I think I need a change. So
when you come back to work, for sure. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So I just want to thank you, and O2 Health Studio is doing such a great work, and I think encouraging everybody. And I just want to thank you for this cake, wonderful cake. And I want to say something. Being a marketing person, I want to say the best, snacks in the Chennai market, which is so nice, is like Amaravati foods. So these 3 days, I forgot about my diet and I was eating. And really, I am so proud of to be with O2. And actually, so seeing my DP, somebody asked me what is this. So I already started marketing virtual training.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very
Thank you
happy
so
and
much.
very proud of everything that you do, Raji. Thank you very much. Look after yourself, and we'll see you very soon. Okay. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Raji. I see you attending most of the virtual classes. I will see Raji there. And I used to wonder, how does she do so many classes? But then I think you took the fullest advantage of everything that was offered. And knowing the person you are, passionate and very true to what you do, I think that's how you came out the winner. So thank you very much. See you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Raji. Congratulations to Raji and Shravan. Good. Well done.
Actually, Raji, you told like second place is like ரொம்ப எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க. Yesterday also I gave a speech. Second place தான் எப்பவுமே நல்லது. அப்ப first place போலாம். ஆனா அடுத்த வருஷம் நான் first place வர முடியாது. இன்னும் குறைஞ்சா எனக்கு dress கஷ்டம். எனக்கு cupboard full dress இருக்கு. அதுல கொஞ்சமா எடுத்துட்டோம். Thank you, Raji.
So Gautam, that was quite fantastic. I think, how are you feeling at the end of it, Gautam?
Yeah, I could see the efforts of these members who lost
I think
massive
Gautam
amount
also
of
has lost weight.
I know he's grown his hair. I don't know about weight.
Okay, so how are you feeling, Gautam? Because a very successful program, like you said, one of its kind. So feeling very proud of everyone who was a part of it. Shabina, Priyanka, all the trainers, Gautam, Mithun, each and every one of you. And Sangeeta and Mahesh for enrolling the people. And yes, if I've forgotten anyone, please forgive me. But I think this was the whole team which really moved us to this program. Thank you so much, Gautam. You can go ahead and do the closure.
Yeah, I congratulate all the trainers behind the success of these members. And it's over to Mithun for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Gautam.
My only request to everyone is, guys, maintain your weight because it's going to be difficult from here. But we know we have tasted the fruit of, slimmer and lighter. And that's the best place to be in. And let's keep going, and we're all there to support you. You can reach out to any one of you. O2 is very, very approachable. So please look after yourselves. We'll see you in happier times. Bye-bye.
Mithun, can I have one moment? Mithun?
Yeah, please, Gautam. Please go ahead.
I want to thank my team, Shabina, Priyanka, Sangeeta, and Prakash, who did a great job. Being a difficult weight loss edition, your guys are fantastic. I troubled you a lot, I know. Thank you for everything. Most importantly, Shabina, I know you will be very furious on me, but see the output, all the compliments you get. Thank you, Shabina, Priyanka, Sangeeta, and Prakash, everybody. Over to Mithun. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautam. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautam.
Hi, very good evening to all once again. I don't want you to take much of your time and we'll finish it off soon. I would like to thank all our participants who have actively participated in our event. As we say, தூங்குறவங்கள எழுப்பலாம், தூங்குற மாதிரி நடிக்கிறவங்கள எழுப்ப முடியாது. So even we force you, only it's your effort which made you this happen. Yes, of course, we did all the support in kind of all parameters and aspects like diet and workout and trainers and our directors. We cannot see this in any service industry. The directors and owners getting involved and putting most of their time personally on you. Thank you, Nina ma'am, Jeff sir, Vijay sir. Thank you so much for it. And thank you, Gautam, for your team for coordinating this and make it a fantastic success.
Thank you.
I would like to thank Sakti sir for arranging all the equipments being delivered on time for the home equipments things. Sorry if I missed someone. Please don't mind. Never mind. As Mr. Idris said, we laid a roadmap now, like how for many of the first timers. Now you know how to do a weight loss, and it's not like a butcher shop, like in a month you can reduce and you can come to ideal weight. But the thing is, you need to continue this. Only thing you need to continue forever is the workout. Why? You can relax your foot sometimes. You can be on hectic project. Either you can be on a vacation or either you can be on exams and hectic projects. But on those times, you can control your diet, but workout has to go on. when you're relaxing or whatever it is, workout has to go on so that
Possible to take a
the
video shot of the winners together?
This is the hardest thing. Weight loss, I will say weight loss is the easiest thing. Second comes the weight gain in a healthy way, but maintaining that in a consistent manner, that will be the very toughest part. So few very simple things to follow: wake up early, sleep early. Many of us don't know our sleep burns 500 calories per night. So if you are lack of an hour or two, like you are sleeping 4 hours or less than that, weekly you will accumulate a calorie in that too. So please concerned about your sleep. There are 3 parameters in workout: sleep, diet, and workout. If anyone misses, you won't be getting the results. So that's it. I would like to thank once again for everyone who made it a grand success, and please continue your workout. Thank you, Nina ma'am, Vijay sir, and Jeff sir for giving me this opportunity. And I would like to personally thank you 3 from heart. Rather than my family, you've been checking me. I spoke to you by calls and messages. I've been overwhelmed with the care you showered on those days. I will never forget that. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for making it as a grand success once again. Thank you, O2 team. We are always for your support. Thank you.
Daddy. Jeff, you like to wind up the session, Jeff? Jeff?
Yes. Yes, guys, just to thank you once again for being with us this evening and for being with us through the whole month. And just 2 things. Just stay on Insta, stay connected on Insta, because all our updates are coming up there. So you have all our videos, all our training programs, and the whole thing is up there. Sorry, my video was off. So please stay with us on Insta. And secondly, since I'm one of the guys who are taking classes, as an instructor, we'd love to have a variation of classes. So unless you pick up your little weights and small pieces of equipment, we can't give you a variation on the classes. So please connect with Mithun or Gautam, and we are hiring equipment from O2. So it's the hire purchase system which is there, and it's really, really, really good. Most of my students who come to my class have taken them, and that is why we are able to do such beautiful workouts. You know, you feel you're in a mini gym. So it's time to start doing that. So yeah, you can connect with Gautam on that, on hire purchase, and also on Insta. Please stay connected with your trainers. Please stay connected with us. And as Nina said, we'll see you in happier times. Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you, Jeff. Yes, like Jeff said, the lot of options that are available. Please get in touch with the team and avail those benefits. And I'd like to thank you all on behalf of O2 family for being with us through this WLC and being our members. We hope to see you in another new edition, which we'll be announcing in a week's time. We're planning an endurance challenge. We'll give you out all the details once we have the full details about it. Thank you all. See you all soon. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Nina. Thank you, Team O2. Thank you for being a wonderful support. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Suja's most happy about the next challenge. I saw both her thumbs up. See you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye, Team O2. We rock, man. We rock.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So nice to see Vinoba and Saravanan. Saravanan, unga moonji paathu romba naal aachi. Romba thanks. And Vinoba kuda paathu romba inga vandu or light ah or chinna spark paliya moonji paathu. Thank you for being with us, Saravanan. Thank you, Vinoba. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Signing off.